It's lunchtime, so we woke up early this morning. What, around 5?
Yeah, our alarm was set for 5, and we hit the road. We were parked in some BLM just outside of Arches.
Can we really quickly explain for those people who don't know what BLM land is?
Yeah, it's essentially just like government-owned land that, honestly, I can't even tell you.
It's honestly, it's just government-owned land that you can pretty much do anything you want there.
Came in from our BLM spot and drove into Arches and watched the sunrise there, and it's beautiful. It was freezing and super windy, but it was really nice. I'm glad we made ourselves get up to see that.
It was a lot of fun.
The beauty of living in a van is that after we stood in the 20 degrees temperatures to watch the sunrise, we climbed back into our warm van and made coffee. And it was really nice.
It was awesome. The sunrise was amazing.
Yeah, sunrise was beautiful. We saw it underneath one of like the famous arches there, and there really weren't that many people. I guess like maybe 4 other people were around. Yeah. From there we drove to the very back of Arches and did a little hiking around the back, saw a couple more arches. I mean, there's 2,000 plus here, so there's an arch everywhere. But it was really pretty. So we hiked there, and
by the time we were finished with our first hike, it was time to get Kramer out of the van again. Kramer? We drove down to Moab, which was about, it's what, 5 miles?
5 or 10 minutes down the road from Arches, the main entrance.
Yeah, from the main entrance. And so found a dog park, walked Kramer around. And then we found a spot on the Colorado River, and we're eating lunch.
People ask us a lot like what we do with Kramer, especially when we're hiking in national parks, because national parks for the most part are not very dog friendly. We really have 2 options. Either we can do like we're doing today and we do a few different short hikes where we can check on the dog every so often, or you could do the other option, which for us is either finding a dog daycare or a dog sitter using like the Rover app or something.
Rover's good.
That's our option if we're gonna do like a longer hike or it's too hot for him to be in the van during the day. But this was like perfect weather for him. And
so we're gonna finish our lunch and then get back to hiking.
We headed back up to the middle of the park and we did Delicate Arc. It was a beautiful hike, but it was incredibly busy. There were lots of people. Lots and lots and lots of people.
Lots of people.
Made it to the top.
We did make it to the top. And then if you look out there, point the camera that way. Our van is like way down there. So we just finished making chili. We got back from our hike and now I think we're gonna go outside and watch the sunset.
We're back on our spot out in the BLM just outside Moab, and we're just gonna enjoy being here for the rest of the night.
Thanks again for watching this video. Be sure to hit subscribe down below. And if you're on Instagram, follow us on Instagram at letsbe_us. And if maybe we'll do another one of these day in the life videos. So
Yeah, let us know what you guys want to see. So
yeah, all right, see ya.
you guys soon.